Before we begin, let's talk about shape. Shape is one of our elements of art, so we can use shape as part of our art language to talk about what we see when we look at artwork. Here are several circles, ovals, rectangles, and squares. Can you find the squares? A square has all four sides being the same length. Now can you find the rectangles? Rectangles are like a square stretched out. Two sides are longer than the other two. How about circles? Circles are perfectly round. They are the same length across no matter where you measure. And now how about ovals? Ovals are like circles that are stretched out. What are some other shapes that we can make? This is a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 3. Here is a diamond. A diamond is like a square tipped over onto its corner. And here is a heart. Even if we turn these shapes upside down, we still have a triangle, a diamond, and a heart. Let's quickly review the difference between vertical and horizontal. A vertical paper is tall, up and down, while a horizontal paper is wide, side to side. For this drawing, start with your paper vertical, up and down. Start your drawing by making a big oval for the body of the ladybug. You're going to want to leave a little room at the top for the head and a little room on the sides for the legs. Try to draw it about the size of mine. Then on top of the body, add a bump for the head, and inside of the head add 2 circles with a bump inside of them for the eyes. We have a bird's eye view of the ladybug, so we see both eyes on top. Now add 2 lines with a circle at the end of them for the antenna, and on each side draw 3 legs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Insects have 6 legs. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now we're going to make the wings. Put your pencil in the middle of the bottom of your ladybug's body, and then jump up just a little bit to here. Draw a dot, and then you're going to make kind of an upside down letter V, like the word violin, to touch the bottom of the body, and then go back to the dot and draw a straight line up to the top of the body. Now instead of drawing just circles for the ladybug dots, we're going to make our ladybug a little bit more interesting and make all kinds of shapes. So we're going to start with a triangle, make the letter V as in violin, and then connect the tops of the V with a straight line across. And here's your triangle. Next we're going to make our circle nice and round, and then our square by making 2 lines across from each other and connecting them at the top and the bottom, but try to make all your lines the same size so that it's a square and not a rectangle. Next I am going to make a rectangle by making 2 long lines close to each other and connecting them with 2 short lines. The 2 long lines and the 2 short lines makes it a rectangle. And if we take our circle and stretch it out, we get our oval. And to make our heart, I like to do it the easy way by starting with a McDonald's M, or 2 bumps, and then connecting the bottom ends with the letter V, like the word violin. Now you probably have some space left on your wings, so fill it with some more of the shapes that we know how to draw. You can even add some of your own shapes. You can take your ladybug picture and color it however you'd like. I highly recommend outlining your drawing first with a black marker so that your pencil lines stand out. Don't forget to color the background.